Let's find out correct pronunciation of this word. He is a Croatian footballer known for his strength, composure, and ability to play out from the back. He has represented Croatia and is regarded as one of the best young defenders in world football. The correct pronunciation is Josko Gvardiol. Josko Gvardiol. Josko Gvardiol made a crucial tackle to stop the counter-attack. Josko Gvardiol. Josko Gvardiol. The G in Gvardiol is kind of silent, so it is Josko Gvardiol. Josko Gvardiol. Thanks for watching. Here are some more videos on how to pronounce these words. Stay tuned for more pronunciation guides.